Stars,
Okay.
which is one of the best sellers right now. Recently, it's a very funny.
Bewakoof actor at Yashraj Films or an intelligent and cool anchor at MTV? What do you love the most, anchoring or films?
Always wanted to be an actor. In fact, I was putting up an act when I was an anchor on television. So a Bewakoof actor in Yashraj Films by far. Yeah.
Thank you.
Priyanka, would you come here in second,
Hi.
please? Thanks.
Ayushman, hi, Janvi from Times Now, hi.
Hi Janvi, how are you?
Good, thanks. So Ayushman, do you have a story for us, something that you can recall from a time when you had to go to an audition? It could be an audition for one of your movies, or maybe for when you were working as a television anchor. Do you have a funny audition story?
You know, I auditioned for I Hate Love Stories as Imran's friend,
And?
and I was rejected. So this is quite surreal for me, you know. From a second fiddle to a main lead, opposite Sonam Kapoor. And apart from that, I've given so many auditions. I've been rejected so many times. I've lost count. Yeah, seriously. So I remember there was this there was a hunt for actors, and I was rejected in regional round in Chandigarh because all the other actors were 6'3", and they couldn't speak a word of Hindi. तुम बिना बोले ही मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया था.
आयुष्मान फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू पता है आपने जब दिया था व्हाट वाज द एक्सपीरियंस किस चीज के लिए था
इंटरव्यू लिया था कि इंटरव्यू दिया था, कि मैं दोनों कर चुका हूँ. हाँ?
दिया था फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू
First interview दिया था. I think I was 17 that time. There was a reality show on one of the youth channels called Popstars. तब मैंने पहला इंटरव्यू दिया था और उस इंटरव्यू में मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या बोलूँ, और तभी मेरा पहला ब्रेकअप हुआ था लाइफ में, कि पहली बार मुझे अटेंशन मिली थी बाकी लड़कियों से अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय गर्लफ्रेंड. तो मैंने कहा अब तो मेरी बहुत सारी गर्लफ्रेंड बन जाएंगी, अब तो मेरे को टेंशन नहीं है. बट आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी स्टूपिड मूव. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट बेवकूफी आल्सो ऑफ माय लाइफ, द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू.
Ayushman sir, one question.
यार हर एक को एक ही अलाउड है.
Thank you.
You can ask two.
Okay, sir. How did you get your first job, and what did you do to get your first job?
Okay, my first job was of a radio presenter in Delhi, and मुझे अभी भी याद है जब मैं बॉम्बे आया था to be an actor. I had no idea I'll be a radio presenter one day. तो मैंने अपने को कसम खाई थी कि यार जब तक मुझे काम नहीं मिलेगा तब तक मैं बीच पे नहीं जाऊंगा. तो जस्ट अ वेग रैंडम कसम जो मैंने खाई थी. तो जब भी मैं जुहू बीच से ट्रैवल करता था ऑटो में तो ऐसे जाता था कि बीच को नहीं देखूंगा तब तक. So yeah, I got this job as a radio presenter. I was sent to Maika Ahmedabad for 3 months for training, and then I went to Delhi. और मेरे होर्डिंग्स लगे थे वहाँ पे एज अ रेडियो स्टार. पहली बार किसी रेडियो प्रेजेंटर के होर्डिंग्स लगे थे. आई वाज रियली हैप्पी. मुझे लगा मैं तो स्टार बन गया हूँ. बट आफ्टर 2 years आई डिसाइडेड टू कम बैक टू बॉम्बे एंड बी एन एक्टर. बट या फर्स्ट जॉब वाज ऑफ अ रेडियो प्रेजेंटर एंड स्टिल लव रेडियो.
And after you got your first job, then what did you do? Immediate reaction.
Immediate reaction? No, yeah. For me, happiness and sadness is quite neutral. मैं इतने ज़्यादा reactions देता नहीं हूँ लाइफ में. तभी I was a very boring reality show contestant. I can be a decent host.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi everybody, happy evening to hear. And Ayushman, I would like to ask you, if given a chance, what is the acting or what is the role you would love to do of your favorite, and which will be a very different, which in the industry till now nobody has played, that is again you're thinking of your own mind?
I think there are a lot of people who are writing amazing scripts, and you can't really think about anything because I never thought that I'll be playing a sperm donor in my first film. Because I really donated sperms in 2004 in Allahabad. तो मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि मेरी पहली फिल्म डेब्यू फिल्म में I'll be playing a sperm donor. So can't really think about anything. There are a lot of people who are writing great scripts. For example, after this I'm playing a Maharashtrian scientist who made world's first aircraft called Shivkar Talpade. And then there's another film called Dam Laga Ke Haisha. I'm playing this yoga master and Bhojpuri speaker in Haridwar and Rishikesh. So I never thought about it. But yeah, of course, if I have to take references from other films, it will be like Shah Rukh Khan's character in Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na or Amitabh Bachchan's character in Shakti. So I think I would love to play a variety of characters in my life. Thanks, man.
Hello, Ayushman sir.
Hi, 1, 2, 3, check. You're wearing checks.
I want to ask one question. Like, has there been any role model? Like Farhan Akhtar has been a singer as well as an actor. So, is there any role model for you? You are also a singer as well.
Of course, I look up to Farhan Akhtar, and he's a great actor. He's got a great texture as a singer. It complements his character on screen, and he's a brilliant director. But apart from that, Kishore Kumar is a legend who I follow. But of course, he was more of a singer than an actor. I think I'm more of an actor than a singer. I've said this a lot of times that acting has no set of rules. Singing has rules. 7 सुर होते हैं, आप उससे भटक नहीं सकते हो. Acting में आप भटक भटक के कहीं से वापस आ सकते हो. So acting is easier than singing for me.
Can we have a one song sung by you right now?
Okay. Thing is, okay. Yeah. It's called Khamaka from our film, and Raghu Dikshit ne compose kiya, and it's Habib Faisal has written this song. खामखा जोड़ तोड़ करे खामखा बाय बाय पे मरे खामखा क्यों प्यार से डरे खामखा क्यों करे तू परे हर स्टोरी की तो मेरी हीरोइन है हर स्टोरी की तो मेरी हैप्पी एंडिंग है खामखा खामखा.
Give it up for Ayushmann, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't you love it when he sings?
Thanks, Sunam.
You're welcome.
Good evening, Ayushmann.
Hi.
Talking about rejection, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप जब फेलियर कैसे फेस करते हो और फेलियर के वक्त आपने आपको कैसे मोटिवेट करते हो?
Okay. फेलियर कैसे फेस करता हूँ. इनफैक्ट फेलियर मैं बचपन से फेस करता आया हूँ. आई वॉज ऑलवेज एन अंडरडॉग. मुझे अभी भी याद है फर्स्ट रोल इन अ प्ले. आई रिमेंबर आई हैड नो डायलॉग्स. घर पे आके मैं सारे बाकी कैरेक्टर्स के डायलॉग्स प्रैक्टिस करता था, लेकिन उस प्ले के अंदर मुझे बस आके गिर जाना था और कुछ नहीं करना था. तो माई डैड वॉज एक्चुअली क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटेड क्योंकि घर आके मैं सबकी एक्टिंग करता था, स्कूल में कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. सो आई वॉज वन शाय गाय इन द स्कूल. नोबडी न्यू आई कुड एक्ट, आई कुड सिंग. सो एक पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में पापा ने बोला कि इसको चांस दो यार, गाता है, थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग भी कर लेते हैं. देन आई गॉट दिस शायलॉक्स कैरेक्टर इन मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस व्हिच वाज माय फर्स्ट मेन कैरेक्टर. बट हाँ, फेलियर फेस करना, आई थिंक you should be numb to success and failure. I think you should think like somebody who's I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँ, लेकिन I think it comes with experience also. It's not easy of course. जब पहली बार आपको failure मिलता है. For example, when I was in that reality show जहाँ पर मुझे reject कर दिया था, जहाँ पे actors को ढूंढ रहे थे, मैं सारी रात सो नहीं पाया था. So it's not easy to accept failures जब आप young होते हैं. But I think I also read Gita. Though I'm not religious as a person, I read it as a text. I think you should not expect anything from life. And you should be pretty much neutral when it comes to success and failure, happiness and sadness. I think you should have a neutral facade. And apart from that, you should just prepare yourself. I think success is when preparation meets opportunity. And there's no dearth of opportunity in the world. There's only dearth of preparation.
Thank you.
Ayushmann, I have a question for you. You have played...
I can't see you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, hi.
You have played in the film Deva Kubiya, Mohit as a character. So you and Sonam both believe that they can survive in times of dire necessities. So in practical life, how strong is your belief?
In the film, I'm jobless, she's not. So I think you have to be proud of your spouse or your girlfriend that she's earning more than you. And even if you're jobless, you have to keep that stable mind and just leave your ego behind. So I think if both the partners are not working, then there's a problem. But I think if one partner is not working, the other should support the other partner, and the guy should be without the ego for sure. I think for guys, the personal life and the professional life, they're directly proportional. If you're not doing professionally really well, your personal life suffers, and vice versa. So I think you should just get rid of your egos and be a little practical in life, because this day and age in urban India, you need to survive. And if your partner is earning more than you, you should be damn proud of her. Or him.
Okay. And my next question